The little boats are gone from the breast of Anna Liffey. The ferryman lay stranded on the quay, and the Dublin docks are dying, and the way of life is gone. And Molly, it was part of you and me. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. 'Twas the only job I knew, 'twas hard but never lonely. The Liffey ferry made a man of me, and it's gone without a whisper and forgotten even now. And it's over, Molly, over, can't you see? Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. Well, now I'll tend the yard, and I spend me days in talking. We'll hear them whisper, Charlie's on the dole. And Molly, we're still living, and darling, we're still young, but that river never owned my heart and soul. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kiss away the worries from my brow. Well, I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me, Molly, love me now. Singing, if you ever love me, Molly, love me now.